Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tricks and Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the questions from the November or the first round 2014 Primary Maths Challenge question 7 to 9. Okay, it's free. You can just search in the website and you can you can practice. And you have me to show you the solutions and this. Okay, let's get started first. I have ridden my bike for 20 minutes at 12 miles per hour. How many miles have I cycled in that time? Okay, this one we know that per hour is 60 minutes, so I can just tell that if in 60 minutes you went 12 miles, tell in 20 minutes how many miles you would have went. And 60 minutes divided by 20 minutes 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. You can also do this in a ratio. And you can do this in a ratio actually. I could have told that too. But anyways, the sum of the digits of 2014 is a prime number. Yeah, it's 7, right? 7 is a prime number. How many years will it be until the sum of the digits of the year is again a prime number? Do trial and error. Don't get confused. Okay? Don't use like a formula or something. I guess it doesn't have a formula, but just do trial and error. 2016 doesn't work. 2018, yeah, please the answer. Just do trial and error. What fraction of the whole square is shaded? This one, there's many ways, but what would I prefer to do, is that it says shaded. Be careful. If it says unshaded, problem happens. Get silly mistakes, maybe. So be careful. We know that whatever I do this in my mind, I just think these two make 1. So these two cut out, make 1. These two cut out and make 1. So I have 2. Plus this gives us a 3. And how many squares I had? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simplify this because mostly the questions they will ask the simplified ones. Please tell so. So hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.